Hi guys, it's Jay here from Stake Mentor, and today I want to share a video with you on how to save transaction fees on Coinbase. So this is Coinbase, probably used by most of you guys, like myself. Very simple layout, but the transaction fees are quite high. And so what I want to show you here is, if you go on buy and sell, and let's say you want to buy 100 euros, you'll get around 0.076 Bitcoin. But the key thing over here is you pay around 3 euros in terms of the Coinbase fees, and I think it's still quite significant. It's 3%. So I want to show you how you can save them. So what you need to do is you need to go on Gdax.com, and Gdax is not a separate company. It's actually a sister company of Coinbase. So they're both related. It's the same people, the same information. So you click on Gdax.com and you will get to this view. It looks a bit more complicated, but let me assure you it's actually quite simple to use. So the first thing you have to do is you go on your accounts, and if your currency is in euros, then you click on euros, the euro account. If it's in pounds, in the GBP accounts. If in US, obviously in US dollars. So you click on the arrow down, and you go to Coinbase account, and let's say I want to transfer 100 euros from the Coinbase account, and as you can see, it's completely free and it's instant. So you deposit the amount, you click on here. Brilliant. Okay, so then you click here, you just refresh the page, sorry, and you go to trade view, and here you see straight away you got 100 euros in your Gdax account. And now you can choose whatever you want to do. If you want to convert into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, or into Litecoin. In this instance, let's do Bitcoin. So I always do market orders. It's just the most convenient for me. I click on, let's say, the amount, and I click on place my order. And straight away you can see I was filled for 0.079, so actually more than on Coinbase. And the big thing here, I only paid 24 cents in transaction fees. So that's significantly cheaper compared to the 3 euros I had to pay on Coinbase. So overall you can see how much money you can save by using Gdax, and it's very simple and straightforward to use. So now if you want to put your money back into Coinbase or transfer it to another exchange or your own wallet, what you do is you go on accounts, you go on your BTC, you go on withdraw. Don't worry about it if it hasn't hit it yet. It will take a bit until the transactions gets pushed through. And if you want to transfer to your Coinbase account, you just click the amount you want to transfer, and you click on withdraw, and it's completely free and it's instant. But you can also go on and send it to another wallet or exchange, and you just need to put the address in and withdraw. Obviously this time you have to pay the network fees, which are standard across the board. So once this is done, you're all good to go. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.